My name is Jennifer. I'm mum to 3 children, Kimberly May, who's 18, Caris, who's 11, and Nathan, who's 4. And I'm wife to Geraint. When I had my son, he was my 3rd child. I'd had no history of any complications in the past, so to me it was just a routine delivery.
Due to complications with the birth of my son, my wife needed a huge amount of blood. If it wasn't for the donations that were made before that day, she wouldn't be here with us today. I
was told I had a severe postpartum hemorrhage. I received 18 units of blood and 6 platelets. The amount of blood that I had, it shocked me. I never thought it would happen to me.
Around an hour and a half later, I was told that my wife came quite close to, well, in fact, I came quite close to losing her. Had it not been for the kind generosity of the people that donated that blood, then she wouldn't be here with us today.
It does shock you, and you always think, what if? When you actually give blood, you don't actually see where the blood goes, but it does help families stay together. It has a massive impact on people's lives. Donations mean so much to people.
The biggest impetus behind me becoming a blood donor was the fact that I was so grateful to those people who had obviously given their time to give blood at that vital moment. I thought, I've got to give back at least what she had and more.
It means a lot to my husband Geraint to be taking part with the Everyday Heroes campaign, because to us, blood donors are heroes.
If I could give a message to those donors here today, it would be a huge thank you, because what you did, it had a massive impact on our family.
I would just want to hug them.